So most people barely touch Google Contacts, but there are a few hidden features that actually can make your life a whole lot easier. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 little known simple but really powerful features hiding inside Google Contacts that you can start using straight away. So first up, a super quick one. If you're in Gmail and you want to jump straight into Contacts, now you could go over to the side panel over here on the right hand side and click on the Contacts icon. Or you could just press the keys G then C and it will instantly open Google Contacts for you in a new tab. As I said, super quick. So moving on to our second tip. When you hover over someone's email in Gmail, you'll see a little details card pop up. And in the top right corner of that card, you'll see a little plus icon here. Click on that and it will add that person straight into your contacts without leaving Gmail. It's such a time saver. Now, if you don't see the plus icon, so if I hover over this one and you don't see the plus icon, you have a pencil icon instead, it means that they're already in your contacts. All you need to do is click on the pencil icon to edit the contact, which opens up on this right-hand side panel here for you to make any changes to it, and job done. Now, my final tip is my personal favorite. If you ever mess something up in contacts, don't panic. Click the gear icon in the top right corner here, then choose Undo Changes. And you can roll back to any point within the last 30 days. It's like having your very own time machine for contacts. You can even custom how far you want to go back as long as it's within the past 30 days. How cool is that? So let me know in the comments which one of these tips you're going to try first. And if you want more tips like these, check out my Google Contacts playlist. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.